She was my best friend. She was everything for me.
Loved ones are mourning the COVID-19 death of a beloved Imperial Beach grandmother. As ABC 10 News reporter Michael Chen tells us, she passed away less than a week after she felt her first symptom.
I have no words. It's hard.
An emotional Angelica Madrigal talking about her mother, Juana Barajas, who first became sick 2 Tuesdays ago.
Congested, short of breath.
By the next day, a fever had arrived.
Suddenly, she called me and she's like, you know what? I can't breathe well.
An ambulance rushed Barajas to the hospital. She tested positive for COVID-19, and that night she was placed on a ventilator. Barajas, who lived with diabetes and a heart condition, suffered 4 heart attacks in the ICU. On Saturday, just 5 days after she first became ill, Barajas, a mother of 3 and grandmother of 3, passed away at the age of 61.
I couldn't touch her. I couldn't say goodbye. I had to see her through a window going.
Madrigal says her mother,
Since I was a kid, she always had 2 to 3 jobs.
was hardworking, humble, and loved to joke around.
She was my best friend. She was everything for me.
Madrigal isn't sure how her mom contracted the virus, but says her health issues meant she did have many doctor's appointments. Madrigal says her mother otherwise stuck close to home and wore a mask.
Yesterday, I started with a fever.
Madrigal and several other members of her family, also feeling ill, spent this day in line to get a COVID test. She has this message for others.
This is serious. This is not a joke. This happened to me. It can happen to you too.
Michael Chen, ABC 10 News.
And our thoughts with that family tonight. A GoFundMe campaign has been set up to help them with expenses. There is a link on our homepage.